Hey cuties, it's your girl Cutie with another video. Today I'll be showing you how I do my natural makeup. Cause sometimes I don't really do all that glam stuff. I usually do like my natural look, or I'm just put a little bit of makeup and run out the house and go. But today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my natural look. So follow me. So first I'm gonna be using Maybelline. You can see that Maybelline. And I'm gonna color 362 Truffle. So I'm gonna put some of that on my face. I don't really use like a lot of makeup on my face, but if I am use a lot of makeup, I'm just gonna like stick with my natural look and add a little bit of glitter here and there, but not that much. Cause I've been trying to stay and keep my face like natural. Cause I like had started getting acne and pimples, and then when I used to pop my pimples, I get scars. So I've been trying to eat healthy, trying to keep my complexion all nice and smooth and clean, instead of like putting all the makeup on my face. So that's why I just wear my natural face. Cause I've been trying to like stay healthy, not put too much stuff on my face, like not even touch my face too much, so I don't have like no acne at all. Cause the day I first got acne, I was super freaking out about that. So I was on Pinterest and like finding a lot of recipes to do it. Turns out I just used some of the recipes I had in the house, and I just like mixed up the ingredients, and voila, my face started getting more clear. But I found out it's mostly what I'm eating and putting in my mouth of what food I eat. So I've been trying to like do better with that by eating more drinking more smoothies and eating more healthy. Like I've been going mostly on a vegan diet. So I've been drinking a lot of smoothies, eating a lot of fruit, eating more healthy for my body. So comment down below if you want to see my day in my life of what I'd be drinking or eating, or what helped my skin complexion better. Cause I would love to like show you guys how much I do for my skin. Cause I don't really need all this makeup on my face, but I only do it for you guys cause I like to help my fans out. Oh, real eyes. Okay, everything's good with the truffle one. Now I'm gonna take this one, which is 2 shades darker than mine. I'm just gonna put it right there on my eyes. I only put it under my eyes so it can hide all the like bags under my eyes, or helps bring out like the pop out of my eyes. And a little bit of that. And we're done with that one. Now what else? What else did I do? Oh yeah, eyes obviously. I'll be right back. I gotta go get some eyeshadow. Eye brushes. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm gonna start with my eyes. That's not the palette I want. Here's my natural palette. I got this off AliExpress. I don't know, I forgot where the seller I got, but if I do find it, I'm gonna link it down in the description down below. So I'm probably gonna be using, since I'm going more natural, I'm probably gonna be using this one right here. And I'm gonna also probably be using a little bit more of a darker shade right here. And I'm gonna just like dab a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna take this eyebrow brush, eyebrow pencil, and now I'm going to outline my eyebrow right here. Not too much, not too light, just right. Okay, now I'm done with my eyebrows. You can also put more eyeshadow on your eyebrows. I just figured that out. Okay, once done with that, oh, mascara. We're gonna go in with my mascara. I use Mega Protein. As you can see, Mega Protein. It's from Wet n Wild, which is my favorite brand of all to use when I'm wearing makeup. And I messed up right there if I touch my eyes, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with foundation and cover that up. And boom, it's gone. Boom. Now eyelashes is done. Now I'm probably gonna go in with the lips. And I'm gonna take, this is how I do what it kind of like a natural look. I take my eyebrow pencil. Since I don't have a lip liner in black, I only got it in pink. So I'm just gonna I know y'all just like, don't do that, put that on your lips. But I'm like, hey, I don't got no. None of that is that bad. Maybe I might change that color. I don't know. What kind of lip do you guys like? Lip gloss or lipstick? Comment down below of which one do you like. For me, I love lip gloss, but I also like the lipstick too. I'm using this one. See, I don't need no I'll use mascara. I don't need no eyeliner. Because I look so fierce already. I'm gonna clean my mess so I don't have to clean it later. But I'm liking it. Sorry. I tend to do that a lot. But I like it. It's not so bad. I like it. Well, that's it for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below of which part of the video you like. And if you want to see me in any more daily routines, or do you want to see me how I take care of my skin, or a day life with me? Well, other than that, I'll make sure you like. That's it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below of which part of the video you like, or do you want to see me do more daily routines or skincare routines? Because I'd love to know in your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And enjoy the Cutie fam, because cut that part. Okay. And that's it for this video, kids. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below of which part of the video you like. If you want me to see you do more daily routines, or you just like the video in general, and whatever you guys like. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. Or is that word? Whoops. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties! Mwah!